Article 361A is saying protection of president and governor. President or governor is not answerable to any court for the exercise, performance of the power and duty of the office. Conduct of president may be both under review of the any court, tribunal or body or other house of parliament for investigation of charge under the Article 61. They are also not answerable. And conduct proceeding may be both under that, but criminal proceeding cannot be instituted or continued against the president or governor in any court during the term of office. And no civil proceeding shall be instituted until the expiration of 2 months next after notice in writing has been delivered to the president. And protection of publication of proceeding of parliament and state is given Article 361A. No person is liable to any proceeding, civil, criminal, for publication of any true proceeding of parliament. Proceeding of secret sitting of parliament or legislature of state cannot be published in newspaper. Article 363A is saying about recognition granted into rule of Indian state to seize and privy purse of abolition, effect of failure to comply with or give effect to the direction given by Union. Article 365, where any state has failed to comply with or to give effect to any direction given in exercise of the executive power of the Union under the provision of the Constitution, it shall be lawful for the President to hold that situation has arisen in which government of a state cannot be carried on this accordance with the provision of the Constitution. So this was given Article 365. Okay. Now Article Part 20. Part 20. Part 20 is power of Parliament to amend the Constitution and procedure therefore. Parliament has constituted power to amend by way of addition, variation or repeal any provision of the Constitution. So step 1. Bill for the purpose has to be introduction in the House of Parliament. Bill can be introduced by the ministry or the private member, and bill has to be passed in the each house by the majority of total membership. In case of disagreement between the two houses, there is no provision hold a joint sitting. Joint sitting will never be there in the Article 368. Okay. And finally, the bill is presented to the president, who shall give his assent, and with the assent of president, the constitution shall stand amended in accordance with the term of the bill. So this is the amendment procedure. So amendment shall also require to ratified by the legislature of not less than half of the states also. In Article 54, 55, 73, 162 and 241. Chapter 4, Chapter 5, Chapter 6, Chapter 1 and Chapter 9. Sorry, Chapter 11. These are some chapters where the half states should be say that yeah, we are agree, then only the bill will be passed. Any of the list in the 7 schedule is also passed by the half of the state if saying. The representation of a state in the parliament, like if there someone wants to representation, some states wants a representation in the parliament, then also half state will be agree. The provision of the articles, if there are some articles, then also. Okay, these are some important provisions.